different. Same struggle, living the same lives each other's living. It wasn't given, we made the necessary decisions to make the best of the circumstances we were given. Same welfare, the same food stamps, same cookie cops, same jail, same boot camp, same judges say who can and then say who can't. But only the hood never gets to say who's champ. So we stick together and still we strive together. We ride together, we laugh and we cry together. We ate and hip hop together, we hold the beacon. Don't ever call me Latino, Hispanic, I'm Puerto Rican. I was right there back when we used to fight fair. Created a voice for the hood, yeah, your memories and nightmare. And I swear, on 10 pounds of marijuana, New York to the soul, wherever I go or everywhere I we eat like the Dollar Green. But then let's make macaroni and a lot of cheese. We drink candy, party and smoke Halloween. Just acting like Cain and Abel instead of cheese. It's called me a wilder style that I speak. It reach through freshness styles and techniques that are meant to teach through speech and illuminate. And apparently lately he lost and fumigate. What do you mean when you say I'm rebellious? If it's cause I won't be erased in hell, then why without us is a job to cow? It doesn't exist, no way, no how. It seems to me that in the hood you're heavily unity and love should be pumped up steadily, but it's not. And it's got to stop. The rewriting of history hurts hip-hop, insulting to a New York mentality. When we saw each other like brothers and family. So if I'm addressed only one concern, is that you must learn. You go to history real quick. African descendant, Margarito, Jose de Leon, conquer Puerto Rico. A conquistador in 1509. We helped bring African slaves to the island. The native population was decimated.